Hi everyone, my name is Sanamdeep Singh and my ID is TIA8217 and today I am discuss about my subject corporating accounting. So let's start with introduction. The statement of cash flow is separated into three sections. Cash flows from operating activities, from investigating activities and from financing activities. The cash flow from the working exercise segment shows how much money the organization produced from its center business. The cash flow from its contributing exercise area shows the measure of money firms spent on investment. The cash flow from financing exercise area incorporates any exercise associated with exchange with the organization properties. Points to be covered: income statement, cash statement, need of cash and income statement, source of trends in cash flow from operations. Did the BHP use working capital? Items affected cash flow, trends in working capital accounting, financial strength, selection for lending purpose, and so first one is income statement. An income statement is a budget summary that gives you how productive and business was over a given valuing period. Cash statement. A cash flow statement is a financial statement that sums up and measure of money and money equivalents entering and leaving the an or the third one is that need of income and cash statement. We need income and cash statement because the statement of cash flows disclose to you how much money went into out of an organization during a particular time span, for example, quarter of a year. Investors use income statements to determine the profitability of a company over time. The statement of cash flows is very important to investors since it shows how much genuine money an organization has created. At the point when the organization has not gainful for its benefits change from year to year, an income statement lets you see where the cash is going and that source of Santosh Limited. From Santosh Limited, the income is from deals and momentary speculation, and its cost to income proportion is good. BHP Limited. From BHP Limited, the major hotspots from income are from money produced from tasks, incomes from proceeding with activities, income from suspended activities, income from putting resources and proceeding with activities. Next, trends in cash flow. The first one is Fantastic Limited. Fantastic Limited recorded a cash outpouring in all year in the period, somewhere in the range of 2017 and 2080. The money surged from proceeding and tasks expanded by 270% before decreasing. The next one, BHP Limited, enrolled an expansion in the cash flow from proceeding with the task of 18%, somewhere in the range of 2017 and 2080, proceeding and equivalent declined by 1%. The last one is Santosh Limited, enlisted an expansion in the income from proceeding with tasks of 26%, somewhere in the range of 2070 and 20. Cash flow from operations. BHP Limited has made an extension using real money for the installment of profits. Organization's cash inflow from activities has been adequate to meet profit payouts in real money during every year. Fantastic Limited has not made any profit installment for the period under report. Additionally, organization activities are a wellspring of capital surge instead of inflow source. Santosh Limited has earned enough money for its activities which can be utilized and profit installments in real money during the 3 year under in further. Did the BHP Limited use working capital? The organization is confronting the issue of pattern event of working capital. The working capital for the year 2017 is 9619 is dead year of flows, resources are expanded and current liabilities are diminished, which shows that the firm created more deals or spent more momentary speculations. On account of the year 2090, the current resource of the firm diminished by 11,757 and obligation additionally decreased by 60. Furthermore, items affected cash flow. The income of Santosh has been influenced by factors like installment to providers, emergence related installments, and assignment resources and profit paid. And second, Fantastic Limited income has been influenced by installment for the securing and plant and hardware, installment for installments of providers and worker. The third organization BHP Limited. Its income and influenced by the profit installments and plant and hardware, duty and integrity, as well as financial strength. BHP Limited, the company produces money by putting resources into a persistent activity. Their operational order and the furthermore, the last one is that selection for lending purpose. It is a reasonable to put resource into Fantastic Limited according to me. The administration leading group of Fantastic Limited consistently survey the capital 13 structure of the organization. This organization adjusts its general capital structure. This journal of equalization depends on new offer issues and the reestablishment of obligation or issues of new obligation. Accordingly, the organization benefits has expanded since 2070. Last but not least, trends in the working capital accounts in BHP Limited. In 2019, the firm has current resource adds up with the 23,373 which is not exactly the early year 2018 adds up to 35,130 US million. The current liabilities adds up to 12,339 which diminished from 13,989 of every 2000 US million. In 2018, the firm has current resource adds up to 35,130 which is more than the earlier year 2017 adds up to 21,056 US million. The current liabilities adds up to 13,989 which increased from 11,366 hundred of every 2060 US million. The working capital from the period 2018 is 21,141. In 2017, the firm has current resource adds up to 21,056 which is more than the earlier year 2060 adds up to 1770 US million. The current liabilities adds up to 11,336 which decreased from the 12,030 is every 2016 US. So last we conclude the conclusion. The overthe association proclamation features how inflow and search sources. Such budget summaries fill in as a mode of data to individuals who need to put resources into the organization. The income expressions uncover there about each organization's income positions and about their liabilities. For the over three organizations, it very well may be presumed that PHP and Santosh Limited is preferred entertainer over the Fantastic Limited. Thanks.